Rapidly, the world is evolving, technology converging with nearly every industry. The main objective of every product is now to improvise, adapt, overcome, and most importantly, innovate. Because with how the world is progressing, socially, economically, and technologically, some things are bound to change. For example, have you ever just wanted to pack up and move? Well, the idea doesn't seem very far-fetched anymore, especially with folding homes. Let's take a look at 7 folding homes that define the word innovative. Number 7, the wing house. This is a versatile one. It is a house and a shipping container all in one. A mobile and efficient unit that can be transformed within hours into a customizable, fully functioning home. Equipped with plumbing and wired for television, telephone, and internet, these turnkey expanding shipping container homes can be ready within 4 to 5 hours anywhere you want, and they are designed to fold into a standard shipping container. And if that wasn't innovative, well, I don't know what is. The Wing House company even offers you a vast variety of floor plans to choose from. And so the Wing House brings you the convenience of having a home built to your liking and saves you the hassle, time, and money spent on building an actual structure. Just take into consideration how much time, energy, and cost is saved. The units are spacious and able to accommodate full-size furniture, as well as other items that may take up space in your home. You can do your homework by heading over to their website and see if it actually makes sense. And speaking of style, structure, and convenience all packed into one, they also come with standard built-in cabinetry for your kitchen, bathroom, toilet, shower, basin, and vanity, all your choice of color, external lighting, and much more. The beauty of a wing house is that you can take it with you anywhere you go, and now you won't be away from home. You can just take it with you. Number 6, the 10 folding home. This is an amazing modular home which assembles itself in just around 10 minutes max. No manual machinery or hard manual labor is required to accomplish this feat. This incredible portable home which can be relocated anywhere you want and can deploy itself without any help. So how it works is you just have to push a button for it to start, open up, and build, expanding to approximately 3 times the compacted size. Interestingly, the 10-fold home has color levers, which are color-coded to denote their distinct functions. For example, green levers for down and blue levers are for going up, to make the expansion process easy and to serve as supports for the home's unfolding sidewalls and floor. There are also different sizes available, such as the TF64 folding home, which measures 30 foot by 8 foot by 10 foot. Despite the sturdy tonnage that comes with having a steel base, this folding house can be relocated numerous times easily. The mechanism is designed to function off-grid and is adaptable to any climate, coming with its set of facilities. It can work with fuel cells, batteries, generators, and solar energy. This makes the home very versatile, and so there isn't a problem with it going off-grid. The bathroom and showers can be built inside a module that is attachable. The fun thing that's possible is this can be interlinked in different combinations to make larger homes, offices, etc. The internal unit is interchangeable with a number of folding partitions so that people can customize the floor plan as well as room combinations to their liking. The best thing about this is perhaps the convenience. The owner only has to load it onto a truck to get to the new destination and does not have to worry about the hassle of assembling or disassembling at all. Isn't that superbly innovative? Number 5, Brett House foldable homes. With the COVID-19 pandemic hitting last year, it has caused a lot of people to lose their homes. As the financial and social impact of it is pretty darn serious, well, in order to brighten up that glum picture a bit, the Brett House homes present quite literally a picturesque solution. Brett House is a tiny prefabricated living unit that can be installed on a site in only 3 hours and can relocate in almost unlimited amount of times thanks to its unique 100-cycle hinge system. The wooden cabin can be placed on any leveled base as it does not require permanent foundations. Its construction uses CLT, cross-laminated timber, to decrease the impact of manufacturing on the environment, providing a low-emission housing solution. The wooden homes can be installed quickly, offering an ideal solution for tourism and festival accommodation. Isn't that pretty awesome? It is all sanitary and electrical engineering are already prefabricated, while the floors, walls, and ceiling are built with solid wood. The prefab home's construction employs a hinge system to deliver 100 folding cycles, while this unique folding technology allows it to relocate up to 4 Brett 20 houses at once with a 12-meter platform. The ground floor can fit a table with chairs and a sleeping sofa, while the mezzanine above offers space for a bedroom for 2. Sounds like a pretty good deal. Number 4, the Boxable Casita. One of the present-day struggles of having a multifaceted life is being conflicted between the traditional and the modern. Paying the 30-year mortgage for a home, or spend that money creating memories and traveling when you can, settling down, or just being on the go all the time? And well, Boxable, keeping that in mind, has come up with an innovative solution for this, the Boxable Casita. At 375 square feet, it is similar in size to a converted double-car garage, designed as a full-fledged studio apartment with a full-size bathroom and various kitchen appliances. The Casita has a full-size kitchen that comes with a huge fridge, dishwasher, oven, microwave, a tall window right over the sink, and a modern breakfast bar for two. The only thing you need on your own would be your bed and a couple of couches. And they offer extensions too, so you can very well add on bedrooms and space as you go along. It has a modern sliding glass barn door and a full-size bathroom with a lovely shower, tub, backlit mirror, and a ton of drawers for storing all of your essentials. And keeping in mind the changes in temperature, as this is a mobile home, heating and air conditioning are present too, so you can just adjust to your liking. Additionally, to create an ambience, there is a dimmable LED light under the tall 8-foot window, under the even taller 9.6-foot ceiling, so you can wind down as you want. The exterior is a stunning steel skin, architecturally neutral but clean, and so easy to customize according to your preferences. The roof is a flat roof system, though if you needed a pitched roof, they can customize this on site once it arrives. Isn't that pretty great? Number 3, the foldable Matty House. You ever thought you could put together your own home in just 6 hours? Sounds pretty crazy, but it's just how Matty House operates. Designed by Italian architect Renato Vidal, the Matty home is an economic, rapidly constructed, and flat-packed housing solution. The Matty home does not look like a regular prefab modular house. It is built using CLT, cross-laminated timber, to create a multifunctional anti-seismic family home. Interestingly, instead of a concrete base as an environmentally friendly solution, the home is secured down to the ground using an innovative screw pile system that is strong enough to withstand even earthquakes. This preserves the natural landscape and avoids causing any harmful impacts to the soil. You can easily install the Matty home with rooftop solar panels, LED lighting, water tanks, and a gray water system. And as for the innovative folding mechanism, each Matty module is made of specifically crafted steel frames with hinges that are designed to accommodate the opening and closing motion. The company even provides wooden veneer exterior walls in a color chosen by the buyer. The exterior can be customized with other finishes such as aluminum, plaster, marble fillets, and natural fiber. They also have no problem customizing it according to your liking, your need, and your financial availability, both materials and dimensions, so you don't have to worry about practically anything. So this is luxury and comfort all packed into one. Number 2, Casper Skull's Garden House. This stands as one of our top picks because of how this strikes the perfect balance between modern and rustic. As said by the designer himself, this is a dynamic garden house which I built at my parental house. The idea is that the house can be easily adjusted to any weather type, mood, or occasion. Mainly built in Douglas wood, it contains an inner shell of a double glass and an overarching roof of steel. The space is heated by a small but efficient Norwegian wood stove. The whole project gets its stability from a traditional timber truss structure and is built on 18 pillars of reinforced concrete. A bedroom and lounge are within the moving volume, so they can be opened up entirely to the outdoors or used for other activities. The unique structure provides a warm and cozy shelter when the weather is rainy, windy, cold, or stormy. An excellent place to philosophize at the fireplace, play games, write, and tell stories. It feels like home already, doesn't it? Number 1, Blue Homes. This one is a climate-controlled facility and engineered to use materials efficiently to keep construction costs low. For example, the standard features include an efficient building envelope design, recycled steel reinforced framing, LED lighting, Energy Star appliances, water-efficient fixtures, low VOC materials, and cradle-to-cradle flooring. They also come with solar panels to achieve net zero energy status and use 50% less energy than existing homes. They've designed the buildings to fold up with lower transportation and installation costs. They also offer these homes so that when your family grows, you can find yourself needing more space. They provide the additions that connect and blend into your existing home. This is just the future of sustainable living as we know it. They have a variety of options to choose from for your new home. And that is all for today, folks. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.